Hello! Today we draw a snowman. Let's do it together. Let's see what we need. We need paper. We need paints. Red, yellow, white, blue, black, green, brown. Wow, so many paints. We need brushes. Big brush and small brushes. If you aren't ready, pause the video. So, are you ready? Let's start. First, we paint the background. I take white and blue. Let's open them. Wash the brush and dry it. Take white paint. More water and blue brush. Now, like this. Now we mix them. Whoa, look! We've got light blue. And now we'll paint our paper like this. More paint. It's so nice. I need more white paint. And mix it. So nice, light blue color. I need a big brush. You can add more water. Look, so nice. It's winter. It's cold in winter. It's light blue color. Now let it dry a little. Dry, it's wet now. Now we can wash our brushes. Wash the brushes. Wash the brushes and wipe them. Good. Now we draw a snowman. I take white paint. I draw a big circle. A big circle. Like this. It's a big circle. Big body. I need a little water. It's a big circle. It's the body, the snowman's body. Good. Now a small circle on the top. Small head. Now I draw a small circle on the top. Here. Oh. It's a snowman's head, like a circle. Good. I wash the brush and dry it. I take a small brush and I'll draw snowflakes. Snowflakes. It's winter time. And there are snowflakes in the sky. They're falling down. Good. Wash the brush and dry it. Oops. I draw a nose. A nose. Carrot nose. I need red and yellow. Open the paints. I take a little yellow paint and red paint and mix them. Oh, I need more yellow. So I mix them and we have orange color. Now I draw a carrot nose. It's a carrot nose. Our snowman looks up. Wow, what a nice carrot nose. Now I wash the brush. Dry the brush. And I want to draw eyes. Snowman has 2 eyes. I need black color. I take a little black paint and I draw the snowman's eyes. He looks up. Like this. Our snowman has got 2 eyes, 1 carrot nose, and a mouth. Let's draw a smile. Our snowman is happy. He is smiling. Close the paints. Now it's time to draw a hat. Hat. I take green paint. Open it. I draw a hat. Green hat on the head. Take a little paint and let's draw a hat. and I draw a little circle right here. Take your time, slowly. If you aren't ready, pause the video. So good job! Now it's time to draw a red scarf. I need red paint and small brush. Wipe the brush and take the paint. The scarf is around his neck. Let's draw the scarf like this. A scarf is red around the neck. Warm scarf. Let's draw a circle and the scarf goes down like this. It's warm and nice scarf. Take your time. Now let's draw arms. We need a small brush. Wash it and wipe. For arms, we need brown color. Open the paint and take a little brown color. These are Snowman's arms. Good. Take your time. Look, what a nice snowman we have. He looks up at the snowflakes. He has got a green hat, red scarf, 2 eyes, a carrot nose, and a nice smile. What a nice snowman! Thank you for drawing with me. Bye-bye.